Well, hello everybody. Doug Rucker here with DougRuckerStore.com and PressureWashingSchool.com. And today I'm going to talk to you about a new surface cleaner bar I started using on my Whisper Wash 24-inch surface cleaner. It's called the Tornado Bar, and we are stocking these now. You can get those from us as well as Mike Arnon at highflowsolutions.com. So, going to talk to you about that coming up next. Okay, guys, real quick, before I get into the video about the surface cleaner bar, don't forget coming up May 13th and 14th is our next hands-on training right here in Houston, Texas. We already got several signed up for it. So limited space available left, but if you want to get signed up for that, you can do that. And then June 10th and 11th would be the June hands-on training. And then June 20th, 21st, and 22nd is the next Atlanta training coming up, pressure washing training. So I'm doing hands-on training on the 20th for roof cleaning, building washing or house washing, concrete cleaning, and property protection. It's all going to be outside hands-on training as we clean a small church, Bindings Methodist Church, right there in the Atlanta area. And the 21st, Jeffrey Blackman is going to be doing parking lot striping training. That's classroom training as well as hands-on, where you'll actually be able to use the machines and lay down some striping lines yourself. So you can get signed up for that. And then June 22nd, which is a Saturday, is the Difference Makers Conference. That's nothing about cleaning, and it's all about your business. So how to get commercial clients, how to get high-end residential. We're talking about money matters with a CPA. We are talking about how to price jobs. We're talking about residual income, building a residual income-based business, as well as all kinds of stuff for your business. So you want to make sure you get signed up for that. That's on a Saturday. We made that on a Saturday so more people could attend it, because we just have so many people asking about being able to attend that. So that's in Atlanta, Georgia, June 20th, 21st, and 22nd. And for all of those, you can go to pressurewashingschool.com/events and get signed up for those. You can sign up in Atlanta for individual classes if you want to, or you can save money and sign up for the all access pass and attend all 3 days, which most people do. So hope to see you in Atlanta. Again, it's going to be limited seating, so make sure you get signed up early. We also have hotel blocks of rooms with a discounted rate at the Country Inn and Suites right near where we're going to be doing all the training. The Difference Makers training Saturday will actually be at that hotel. So if you can get you a room there, get signed up. That link is also available in the where you would sign up at pressurewashingschool.com/events. All right, guys, so the Tornado Bar is a bar that Mike Arnon out of West Palm Beach, Florida, High-Low Solutions. I don't know if you're familiar with him, but highlowsolutions.com. That's HILOW solutions.com. On the internet there, you can find their website. They are really known for building the lawn tractor, lawn mower with the surface cleaner units under them and other types of big equipment like that. They also do builds and sell other items too. But the big thing that I tried out and have tried out on a few jobs is their Tornado Bar. And this is in no way, guys, to disparage Whisper Wash products or anything like that. One of their surface cleaners, the little big guy, has been my favorite surface cleaner for years. But I went to a Steel Eagle for a few years because their bar, which is this one, has 2 nozzles, or you could also get it with 4 nozzles, but they're all on the same side. And I just always had that striping issue and never was able to resolve it. Always had that issue, and I feel like it was because even though this is spinning, when you're going straight back and forth, it's putting more pressure on the sides as you're going up and down your concrete. And that would cause it to clean a little bit better on the sides versus the middle. So I went to a Steel Eagle, and it had 3 nozzles, and that stopped the striping issue, and that's because I felt the nozzles were spread apart more and it wasn't putting constant pressure just in that line where you're going. So also tried a BE 24-inch with 3 nozzles, which is a great priced surface cleaner, and with those 3 nozzles, same thing, no striping. And so I've tried the Tornado bar from Mike. This has got 4 nozzles on it, and it has 3/8 piping here, which allows for more water to go through, and great results with it. Some concrete, you'll hear in the video coming up, some of the concrete, virtually no striping, but there has been one case that you'll see coming up where I had a little bit of striping, but it was way less than I had versus the other times. So going to go out in the field and show you a couple of jobs we did over the weekend. Today is Sunday, June 28th. So Friday and Saturday we cleaned some concrete and cleaned a church and another commercial property on Saturday. So anyway, we'll go out and show you, and I'm actually going to be using it, talking about it a little bit, and then I'll show you on the second job where I experienced a little bit of striping. Okay guys, so just kind of showing you actually cleaning with the Tornado bar. I hope you guys can hear me over the noise. But since I've been using this Tornado bar, Mike Arnon from Hilo Solutions manufactures and fabricates and makes these out of West Palm Beach, Florida. I've been able to clean faster, so I can walk a little bit faster than I'm normally used to walking, and no striping, so I don't get that striping, you know, on the sides that you normally get when you have nozzles that are just on one side of each bar. This is of course a 4 nozzle bar, and they make them for all kinds of surface cleaners, mainly the Whisper Wash. This little big guy has always been my favorite surface cleaner because it's so lightweight. It's not really big to have to lift in and out of a trailer or a truck. But I didn't like the striping it had on our real porous concrete around here. No matter what nozzles I tried or PSI I tried to get to, I would still get that striping effect. I would still get that striping that goes this direction. And you know, I know a lot of people say you shouldn't do like I'm cleaning, going back and forth, but that's the fastest way to clean concrete. It's like cutting grass. You just go back and forth, you pick your longest point, you go back and forth. So that's the way I clean concrete. It's the way I'll always clean concrete. I'm not going to take a shorter route, you know, and go this way and have to take longer. It's just, if you go vertical, it's too many stops and turns, it's going to take longer. But anyway, yeah, I love this bar. Raimondo even put one on one of his little big guys, and it's just really helped our time. It's increased our production, so we can clean faster, and it cleans better. Used to be, you know, I would have to walk like this to get it really bad concrete like this clean. But now I can step up my pace a little bit, walk a little bit more, and that just saves time over the long haul. You know, over the course of, you know, how much concrete you're doing. So, highly recommend these. We're going to be stocking these. As a matter of fact, we already stocked them, and today we got them in. We sold one. So, they have them for 28-inch, 24-inch, 19-inch, all different models. So, you can order them through us, or you can contact Mike at Hilo Solutions. Either way. So, yeah, love this bar. And so if you've got 24-inch, little big guy, 28-inch big guy. Got a big rock here. I gotta soccer style it over to the area over there. 19-inch, whisper wash. What do they call it? Classic. Definitely you want to look into one of these. You'll definitely be extremely pleased with it. So I've used it. Be about the third or fourth commercial job that we've used it on since I got it, and I'm going to be using it again tomorrow for another parking lot that we're cleaning. So if you have any questions, let me know. So on the Saturday job, this was totally different concrete from what I did the little previous video out at the church. That concrete was a little bit smoother. It was not as dirty, so I was able to dial my pressure down using the surface cleaner regulator that we have on my surface cleaner. And the one on the commercial job here on Saturday, the concrete was extremely dirty, had not been cleaned in many, many years, and it was much more porous. So I think that kind of played a little part in the little bit of striping that I had. Of course, once the concrete dried, you could not see that striping, which that's usually always the case no matter what type of striping you have. I know a lot of guys talk about you can just throw some bleach down on it, it'll blend in, but what's happening is when this is going on is you're basically cleaning that little path. Those two lines are cleaning a little bit better than what's in the middle because of the constant pressure on the sides. So it's basically etching it like a little bit. So yeah, the bleach will help hide it, but as the concrete gets dirtier or it gets wet, you'll see those lines. But again, they go away when they're dry. All right, guys, I hope this has been helpful for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you get notifications anytime I come out with something that could be useful for you. Hit that bell. Leave me a comment, question, all that kind of stuff. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. If it's about school-related things in our schedule, questions of that nature, pressurecleaningschool@gmail.com. If you have any questions about our store products, you can always email us at info@dougruckerstore.com, or just leave me a comment or question below, and I'll be sure to respond as quick as I can. Thank y'all again for watching, and I hope you have a very, very blessed day.